Welcome to Doosan Infracore Machine Tools. Doosan Infracore Machining Tools was established in 1976. With 3 manufacturing plants in Changwon and 1 manufacturing plant in Yantai, China, Doosan Infracore Machine Tools manufactures turning centers, machining centers, boring machines, double column machining centers, and Swiss turns. Now, let's begin the tour of the key facilities in Namsan plant, which is our primary manufacturing plant. We maintain a 25% R&D manpower ratio, which is the highest in the world, and we are making continuous and bold R&D investments. The construction of South Korea's largest machine tools R&D center, completed in 2008, has been the driving force behind our ability to develop world-class products. The 5-phase machining center is capable of machining in 5 phases and up to 72 hours of automated operation with a single setup. It is primarily used to process beds for turning centers and machining centers. The 2 HMC FMS lines consist of 3 NHM 8000 horizontal machining centers, multi-pallet storage facility, rail-guided vehicle, workpiece setup stations, washing stations, and central command systems. It is capable of up to 72 hours of automated machining of medium-sized castings and matrix tool magazines, each with 262 tool capacity. The 5-phase machining FMS maximizes productivity, as it is capable of automatic machining on 5 phases with a single setup on large castings such as lathe beds. The line is fully controlled by a host computer and is capable of up to 72 hours of automated operation. This is where the high-precision parts of machining tools are finished machined, such as lathe headstocks. This area is temperature and humidity controlled to maintain the highest level of precision. At the spindle grinding center, the spindles and sleeves for turning centers, machining centers, and boring machines are ground with precision. This area is also controlled for temperature and humidity. This is the turning center and machining center's spindle head assembly area. The temperature is controlled at 20 ±1 degrees Celsius and humidity is controlled below 60% for maintaining the highest level of precision. The clean room for assembling bearings maintain the same level of cleanliness as that of semiconductor manufacturing facilities. In the turning center assembly line, each unit is assembled using a cell production system, where one person is responsible for every step of the assembly work. These technicians are experienced and highly trained, and are fully capable of producing high-quality turning centers. By operating a precision measurement center accredited by the government, we are striving to achieve unparalleled levels of quality technologies for the manufacture of cutting-edge, high-value-added products. The machining center assembly line is where high-precision, high-value-added equipment, such as horizontal machining centers and 5-axis machining centers, are assembled. The Optimal Solutions Center conducts durability and quality testing of new models before production launch. The Reliability Research Center conducts durability and quality testing on individual machine elements, such as spindles and index tables, to achieve the optimum level of quality and reliability. Doosan Infracore Machine Tools operates automated machining and assembly systems based on its abundant experience and know-how, and aims to achieve the highest level of productivity by providing optimal solutions based on state-of-the-art engineering. The Service Center provides total engineering services, including consultations and information about machining tools. It also offers free training to dealers around the world for CNC machine tools. The Service Parts Warehouse maintains inventory of a wide range of components to supply parts to customers in a timely manner and respond to customers' requests in real time. At Doosan Infracore Machine Tools, we will always strive to provide optimal products and solutions to fulfill the customer's needs. Thank you.